Hello everyone. Let's kick in some positivity and I am going to take you on a ride to answer all your self-doubts in this video. Welcome to Hey, you are an enthusiastic person just out of college or maybe bored of your existing career. Maybe you can draw well and want to follow your passion finally. You took a quick online course in creativity. You are confident of landing a job in a particular field. You start applying for internship, entry-level jobs. Emails getting ignored, no responses, failing to impress even if you get in. Things are getting tougher and tougher. You are losing confidence, one day at a time. Let's step back and contemplate. Contemplation. Why is the first question? Why me is the second one. Now take a deep breath and let's analyze these traits. Ask yourself these questions. Are you an outspoken person who would convince people about why your design works? Or are you a shy one who would let his design do all the speaking? Are you a logical and can solve complex use cases? Or are you creative and can make things look better and creative if given an opportunity?
¿Por qué no los dos?
The main goal of this exercise is to understand yourself and your skill set. The more you ask, the more you will explore. Selling your skills will lead you to your desired job. What will you sell to others if you don't know anything about yourself? Your skill set, your passion, your strengths and weakness. Get to know about yourself first. Once this is done, acceptance. The truth is, some jobs are challenging and would need a specific skill set to overcome the entry-level hurdle. It's great to be an optimist, but it's better to know all the facets of the job before starting. For example, being a UX professional is handling stakeholders and advocating users and balancing this two daily. You need to be outspoken and convincing. Back your design with solid research or case study. Give similar working experience and use research data. Listen to requirements carefully and reflect on the same in your next draft. Be logical and solve complex problems. And it's tough. You're kidding yourself if you disagree. If this is not what you're naturally, you can train yourself to do so. The question is, can you train yourself to do so? If no, let's figure out another option in life. So many other careers to choose from. If the answer is yes, then let's analyze this. Let's come to problem statement. Ask yourself, what is required? This is very important question. This can be a list of requirements as we pinpointed earlier. Every list item will have a sub-question and solutions to achieve those. For example, you require a portfolio of previous work. Why is it required? To judge your skill set and commitment towards project execution. And most importantly, to summarize the point, can I achieve this? Another example would be basic understanding of creative tools like Photoshop. Why is it required? So that you can execute a project and need minimal time to do so, thus attaining deadlines and creating profits for the company. The company earns profit, you earn a salary. More profits are driven by you, better salary, better positions. Can I achieve this? Plot all the problem statements, align those in a nice tabular fashion. This will help you align the same in your next step. Find solutions. In the world full of information, everything is available. You just need to find it in the right places. Search for all the problems listed in the above step and answer all your hows, whys, and whats. Solutions can be easily found, but execution takes consistent efforts. This is the toughest part. Creating a habit of finding solutions and implementing those one step at a time. Be true to yourself and start gaining skill sets. Also, after finding the path towards solution, you will know the time required to achieve the same. This will align perfectly with your goals. Now you have a fair understanding of yourself, the overview of the industry you want to enter. After many interviews, you have a fair idea of what is required to step into your industry. Solutions and time required to achieve determined goals. Combine this and focus this on your goals. Goals are small milestones you need to achieve to score the bigger prize, which in this case is an internship or an entry-level job. The solution to every problem becomes your milestones. It's like a game, small quests until you fight the ultimate boss, and the cycle repeats on every level, ultimately leveling you up. Make sure you reward yourself every time you achieve a goal. This will keep you motivated. If you can relate, kill the like button for good design's sake. Once you achieve all the preliminary goals, there comes a big day. Interview. Interviews are aligned to check your basic skill set and your willingness to achieve things. Interviews will be more technical on entry-level jobs as they are unsure of your skill set. I won't stress what to do or what not to do during an interview. That's a topic for another discussion. Just ask yourself few things beforehand. Am I prepared for this interview? All my goals are achieved? Can I demonstrate my willingness to work? Am I confident enough to face the challenges ahead? After answering these tough questions, if the answers are yes, be confident and face the interviewer. If not, what more that I can achieve to be capable enough to crack this? And the list follows. Remember, it's a never-ending process to achieve goals. Be positive and stay motivated. Life is tough and we are here to help. You can ask questions in the comment section below. The next video will cover solutions to few of the entry-level problems in the design industry. You can find a link in the description below or at the end of the video. Until then, do subscribe. Be judgmental, stay judgmental, and don't forget to press the bell icon.